Welcome back everyone, my name is Joe and today we're going to try and fix your Minecraft server. So I currently have a server right in front of us and it's just a standard server file from minecraft.net and a run file. We'll click the run file, it pops up, disappears straight away. Pops up, disappears straight away, so it will not even start. So we're going to look into this, so let's get started. But first of all, can you please like and subscribe, it would be much appreciated. So, where to start off is 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a Java problem. This is nothing else, it will just be down to Java. So we need to make sure you've got Java installed or the correct version of Java. So we're going to come over to the Windows button, simply type in Java and go to About Java. Now if nothing's popped up there in your Windows search bar, nothing to do with Java, you can't see any of the same logos as I'm seeing, it is not installed. So just go over this little bit, go down to timestamps in the description and I'll link to the necessary bits you need to go off. So as you can see here, we've got Java 8. That is no good for the modern version of Minecraft now. So we need to get rid of this version of Java. So we're going to go to Control Panel to start off with. Uninstall programs and go into Java in the search bar. There we go. Uninstall it, yes. Now my screen has gone black now, you won't be able to see any of this, so we need to click yes on the prompt. It's just making sure you want to uninstall it. I do want to uninstall it and get rid of it. So as you can see here, we've got nothing to do with Java on our computer anymore. In the description there will be a link to the official page to download the Java you need to get. Now there is a few different versions of Java now. It's it's OpenJDK. Now this one is, well, it's manufactured and built and compiled by Microsoft, the people who own Minecraft now. So I think it is the best people to go with. But down below I will be linking the Minecraft wiki, where it will give you a few other options you can download. So just look over. But as you can see here, Java versions. So if you're running Minecraft 1.20.5 or 1.21, you will require Java 21 now. So please click the link down in the description to come to the Microsoft website where you need to download Java. Click the download button. We want the OpenJDK 21, so we'll click that. And now we're going to be using Windows 64 MSI. Click the download. I'm going to just wait for that to download. So that should download in the top right hand corner. We can also go into the download folder and wait for it to come up. So just give it a second. There we go. Now, same again, my screen might go black again when we start going through the install process. Accept terms and conditions. Read them if you need to. Next. Yeah, next. Next. Now, the screen will probably go black. It has. And now we're installing, just as simple as that. Finish. So we can go back to our server files now. And we can click the run.bat. Let it load. It will shut down straight away because we have not set accept the EULA of Minecraft. So we'll open that up quickly. We need to change this to true. So TRUE, true. Save it, exit, and start it up. So just give it a second. There we go. It's generating the world. Now, it wants access to it, so please allow it to the OpenJDK. And there we go, the server is started. We can open up Minecraft. Let's open that up. There we go, we'll just give it a second to load. Right then guys, we are now in Minecraft, and as you can see, the server is running in the background. And we'll click there, there it is there, but you probably haven't got it added, so please click direct connect, type in localhost, and there we go, we are into the server. You are ready to play the game and crack on. So as you can see, it is registered, we have joined the server, so even better. Right then guys, you are now in the server and it is all working, so hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it hasn't fixed your problem, please leave a comment. I'll try and help you. But as I always say to people, Google is your friend. Make sure you study the Minecraft wiki. It will help. It will just help in generally. And don't be afraid to look up other videos on YouTube on how to get the job done as well. So then guys, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.